Ocean acidification. I am Karina Rogg.
And I'm Molly Moran. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean, but are home to almost 25% of all known marine species.
Coral reefs are the largest structures on Earth of biological origin. Coral reefs are naturally colorful because of algae, which lives inside of the coral, providing them with food.
However, these coral reefs are rapidly losing their color due to the bleaching caused by ocean acidification.
Ocean acidification refers to the reduction in the pH of the ocean over an extended period of time, caused primarily by uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
In the 1850s, the ocean had a pH of 8.2. Today, the pH is 8.1.
Although this does not seem like a huge difference, this means that ocean water is 30% more acidic now than it was in the 1850s.
Ocean acidification initially began during the industrial era over 250 years ago. This is because there was a drastic increase in the burning of fossil fuels.
The combustion of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide. This is because when fossil fuels are burned, oxygen combines with carbon to form CO2.
Where the air meets the ocean, carbon dioxide dissolves into the ocean to make carbonic acid. This happens because CO2 reacts with H2O to create H2CO3.
Carbonic acid is the main reason for the increasing acidity of water.
CO2 also causes another dangerous reaction.
An increase in CO2 in ocean water also decreases the amount of carbonate ions in the water. This reaction happens when CO2 plus H2O plus CO3 makes 2HCO3.
Many marine species use carbonate ions to build their skeleton and shells. This includes coral reef.
If CO2 emissions continue to increase, scientists believe coral reefs will begin to disappear within the next 50 years.
As we said earlier, coral reef is the habitat of almost 25% of marine life species. This means that a decrease in the coral reef means a decrease in the amount of other marine species.
If we continue to let coral reef die off, the entire ocean's biodiversity can be negatively affected.
Another important factor to look at is the Great Barrier Reef.
The Great Barrier Reef is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Since this is greatly consisted of coral reefs, this natural wonder is being greatly affected.
The Great Barrier Reef is a huge biodiversity hotspot. It includes 1,500 different species of fish, 4,000 species of mollusks, 1,500 species of sponge, 800 species of echinoderms, 360 species of hard corals, one-third of the world's soft corals, 500 species of seaweeds, 23 species of marine mammals, and 6 species of marine turtles, and many more.
The increasing acidity of the ocean is creating a hazard for all of these different species.
We need to take action in order to prevent this from happening.
There are many things you as an individual can do to help out.
One thing you can do is use public transportation instead of driving in your car. The more people that use public transportation, the less vehicles on the road. This will then decrease the carbon dioxide emissions.
Another thing you can do is create a green roof on your house. Green roofs help prevent ocean acidification because all of the plants help absorb some of the CO2 that would otherwise end up in the ocean. Lastly, you can use clean energy sources. These include solar energy, wind power, and many more. Using clean renewable energy sources prevents the need for burning fossil fuels for energy. Overall, it is very important to take action against ocean acidification.
The decreasing pH of the ocean is rapidly changing the environment and biodiversity of the ocean.
We need to end ocean acidification before these changes become impossible to recover from.
We need to save our ocean and end ocean acidification.